Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get to Blooket.com. First, open your web browser like Chrome or Safari on your computer, tablet, or phone. Then, locate the address bar at the top of the browser window. Carefully type Blooket.com into this bar. Double-check your spelling to ensure accuracy. Finally, press the Enter key on your keyboard or the Go button on your mobile device to load the website. It's a straightforward process. Once you're on the Blooket homepage, you'll see an option to join a game. This is where you'll enter the unique game ID. Your teacher or host will provide this 6-digit code. Type the numbers carefully into the designated field. After entering the correct ID, simply click the Join button. This will take you directly into the game lobby, ready to select your Blook and start playing. If you want to host a game, first log into your Blooket account. From your dashboard, you can browse and select from your created or favorited question sets. Next, choose your desired game mode, such as Tower Defense or Gold Quest. After selecting the mode, Blooket will generate a unique 6-digit game ID. Share this code with your players so they can join your session. Sometimes you might encounter issues accessing Blooket. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can prevent loading. If the page doesn't load, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This often resolves minor glitches. If problems continue, consider switching to an alternative browser like Firefox or Edge to see if that helps. These simple steps can often fix common access difficulties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.